Hey everybody, Tom here from HID Projectors with another Porsche Cayenne 957 customization. This one was quite the project. Customer came to us with the halogen version of the lights and everything needed work. The wiring was a mess, so we had to recreate the entire wiring harness from scratch, so legitimately every wire was replaced by hand. Then we ditched the old H7 halogen projector for our brand new bi-LED projector. That's going to be phenomenal in terms of the performance. Going to have both low beam and high beam in the projector, along with the standard high beam that's in the corner of the light, so that still stayed with the halogen bulb. Then we added the stage 2 setup, which gives you the angel eye that's behind the shroud there that you can see lit up. That's a switchback angel eye, so you can use this as a turn signal, and you make your turn, it'll blink amber along with your turn signal, just like I'm doing here in the video. And then when you're done making your turn, it's going to automatically go back to white. Now the other cool thing you could do with this is if you didn't want to do white daytime running lights, you could run them as amber daytime running lights, which is super cool. I mean, it looks awesome in my opinion. So you have that option too. Of course, for this case of the video, we'll switch back to the white version. And then the last thing we did was we blacked everything out. So the shroud is black, the inside is black, the bezels all around are black, everything got custom gloss black. So you have a completely dark looking headlight when everything's turned off, which I'll do here. A lot of glare here, but you'll get the idea of what that looks like. Maybe we'll get some better photos when they're installed on the customer's car. And then you get this cool daytime running light effect as well. So at the end of the day, brand new lens is here too. Here's what you got. Better wiring, better performance. The top of the line projector for more use on the low beam. It's going to shoot wider and further. Then you also get a second high beam, so you get more performance there. You get the cool effect of the switchback angel eye in there. You get the brand new lenses. We're going to do a ceramic coating on these as well. All in, this is a great way to take your vehicle to the 2023 standard and give yourself the performance and the look that it deserves. If you guys want something like this is what we do. We come up with custom solutions that are going to make your vehicle truly unique. Give us a call, 716-662-3479, or shoot us an email at sales@HIDprojectors.com, and we'll work directly with you to come up with something that you're going to love. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.